Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the SprayWay Streakless Glass Cleaner. Yeah, okay, well, what this is a cleaner that cleans glass, and it cleans very well, not like a regular glass cleaner that, you spray it on there and it's like a clear liquid. This uses a foam. You understand? It's like a white foam. You spray on there like that, and you spray it on the glass. And I mean, if this was glass, and then you would wipe it away, and it leaves the area very clean. If this was glass, but yeah. But what it is you spray this on there, and it gets the glass really, really clear and really, really clean. A lot of sprays, have different chemicals in them that leave streaks, debris behind, and this doesn't. It really takes away all those streaks so you don't see smears on the glass. It's really a really good brand of glass cleaner. I've used this for probably near about 3 years now. Yeah, I got the idea to use it some janitors, my workplace, because I had streaks and everything in my glass cleaner that I was using at home. I saw when they were cleaning the bathrooms one evening, I asked them about their glass cleaner, and they said, yeah, this is the stuff that the pros use. And I was like, okay. So I had to go out and find this. They didn't tell me where to buy it, but I found it, got me some, and it really does work well. I saw them using it on the mirrors in the bathroom. I saw that it was really easy to put on and to wipe off. A lot of times glass cleaners get on there onto the glass or mirror or whatever, you're cleaning a window, and you have to rub and rub and rub and rub until the liquid disappears, and a lot of times it takes a while, it disappears really fairly quickly, and it makes it so it's almost effortless. It does not a whole lot of elbow grease or a lot of, pushing and killing yourself to get it clean either. There's something in it makes it so the dirt comes right off and leaves like a clear glass, and that's exactly what I want. It has no ammonia in it. The smell is just fine. It doesn't have any harsh odor. It has a smell, but it's just like any kind of cleaner smell, soapy smell. It's really, really good. I've turned a lot of people on to using this, especially my close friends and my cousins. Been telling them that I've been using it for a long time, and they finally started using it not too long ago. Because I think most people, like if you're cleaning your cars or your windows at home or anything, anywhere where there's glass, it's just very important that you have a good cleaner. Especially if you have like TVs. I can't stand a dirty television screen. I mean, to see that black screen with a bunch of fingerprints or some kind of stains or anything like that, it just kills the whole feng shui of a room, and it's just not good. So I need a good glass cleaner to clean that. So I found one. This is very good, and I've used it for a while now, and I especially use it on my TVs. It's great. It's really, really good. You don't have to use a whole lot. You don't have to do it over and over again. You get it on there in one good swoop, and it does the job. I'm very pleased with it. All right, well, we are talking about the SprayWay Streakless glass cleaner. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.